This is for Ivan Bates in the 2023 session. We got lobby day on March 22nd, 2022 with Out for Justice. I'm an ex-felon. I'm a member of Out for Justice. I'm also the founding member of the Baltimore block. That's an interstate compact. All right? See that? Parole and probation. Other conditional, all right? Conditional discharge. Offenders information. That's my FBI file. I got an FBI file. I got a Department of Justice file. I'm a whistleblower on the courts and the corruption in the courts. And Ivan Bates got full knowledge and evidence. That's the state's attorney. He talked about he got the dream team. Well, we're going to make this dream a reality. Scott Shellenberger kidnapped me for making a documentary about your prison and your prison industry, the money you make. In 2023, you talking about sending blacks to out of state. That's more money in your prison industry. Like I said, I'm a prisoner's right advocate. N62528. There go my information. Call them up. That's the case. I never got a trial. I was born in 1959. I'm not Emmett Till. I'm not Freddie Gray. I know how to speak up for myself. I'm a jailhouse lawyer. I'm a jailhouse lawyer and I know the law. And we talking about monopoly. Now, Westmore, you got information and knowledge, and you got to act on that information. You the first black governor. That's me. I'm the founding member of the Baltimore block. And that's 2007. I went home on vacation and came back on probation. You see that? It's all right there. FBI. That's my FBI file. So what I did is, I put it all in a book. I'm making a movie about racism in the judicial system. That's notarized. 2012, commode of motion. Y'all locked me up in Towson and you locked me up in Illinois. This is a political statement. So Westmore, what you gonna do? Cause that's Peter Francott. We talking about $250 million in intellectual property theft. All right, I hereby order that his property be returned. That's 2010. That's President Obama, and that's formal charges against Scott Shellenberger. I'm a whistleblower on the courts, all right? See the names? I'm a whistleblower on the courts. Fox 45 got that. That's the IRS. You talking about identity theft. Identity theft and fraud. Yeah. Get caught, get cuffed. Well, we caught some people. Matter of fact, they caught Nick Mosby. They caught Nick Mosby and Marilyn Mosby. They caught the Mosbys. And it's all about your money. It's all about your money. Well, I got Scott Shellenberger. And I got Gov.O'Malley. The art of getting money. That's Judge Bell. And like I said, I'm cooking y'all up. Black lives don't matter. Black money do. That's 2007. My store on Falls Road. In regards to your documentary, I will not be able to appear. Well, social media for social change. I don't need you to appear. I don't need you to sign a movie release. The documentary is about the Mosbys. The money you made behind black bodies. That's Nick Mosby and Marilyn Mosby. That's Washington, D.C. That's Pam Woods from the Baltimore Banner. She used to be with the Baltimore Sun. See who that is? That's my ID number. See who that is? Judge Marcella Holland. All right? I cater for these judges, and I work for these people. And that's my whistleblower's ID number right there. You're talking about racism in the 21st century. All right? That's Delegate Stephanie Smith. That's Attorney Marilyn Mosby. See who she is. Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake. That's Judge Bell. All right? American Bar Association. All right? I don't want nobody left out the loop. And that's Councilman Stokes. Y'all going after him for ethics? Well, we're going to go after y'all too. Release all material to the voters. That's Governor O'Malley in 2013. All right? Right here. 2009, sorry. Mailing address, WVON AM 1690. That's the Baltimore Sun, ABC, NBC, 98 Rock, and 92Q. File a Freedom Information Act. We're going to show what it do. That's me. I came here straight out the Illinois Department of Corrections in 1991. Ivan Bates got evidence and knowledge. I can't bring my son back, but I can help save somebody else's life. And that's the Shorty program. I gave you a program. Now I'm going to give you Governor O'Malley. If Blagojevich can go to jail, so can Governor O'Malley. So can 52 members of the Democratic Party. Y'all want to protect white supremacy? Those are criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. And these are the people that know about it. Dr. Andy Buntley, Baltimore City. Adrian Jones. You see who got that? Vanessa Attenberry. Paul Weinblatt. Duckworth. You see who got that? Edward Snowden, the ACLU. Leaders of a Beautiful Struggle. You see who got that? These are criminal charges. And Westmore got it too. It's Black History Month. We're going to make it a moment. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Ain't no law against making a movie. That's a Jailhouse Diary from 2007. That's a Jailhouse Diary from 2011. 9/2/2011. Westboro Baptist Church upholds freedom of speech. You feel me? Today's the 20th. (2/20/2011). Pro-democracy. All right, across the world. That's the 20th. And see who that is? That's Chuck Dodd. He got a leading role for the movie industry. See that? 1 p.m. Sent Chief Editor, Associated Press, the originals. The Baltimore Times, the Baltimore Journal. Y'all got this. I'm a whistleblower in the courts. That's the 21st. Reshuffling in the wake of officers' arrests. Yeah, that's in 2011. See the page? See who got this? Making a movie ain't against the law. Kai Jackson, MC. All right, Kai Jackson. Kai Jackson got this. And that's February the 22nd. All right. You talking about a towing scandal because y'all took my truck, my computer, and you took my car and everything in it. So the towing scheme had hidden costs and higher fees and premiums. And WJZ got that. That's Kai Jackson, Mary Bubala, and Big Carter. That's the 22nd. All right. James Farmer Jr. Dishonoring the badge. That's Rod Rosenstein, and he got this. Like I said, I got a Jailhouse Diary, and I'm a whistleblower. That's Rod Rosenstein, and that's the Department of Justice right there. All right? Dishonoring the badge. I blew the whistle on the gun task force in 2010. Commissioner Belfield had it. The Department of Justice had it. Ivan Bates got it. Bernstein had it. Y'all protect the corruption with your police department. Y'all protect y'all's corruption with y'all's black bodies. That's Governor O'Malley, and that's my store on Falls Road. See that? That's 2019. U.S. Department of Justice. All right? And Johnny Oleski asked for the Department of Justice to investigate my incarceration and the theft of my store and property on Falls Road. Shorty's Bootleg Barbecue. See the date? 2005. That's Governor O'Malley. That's my store. And that's the Department of Justice. That's Christopher Irvin and Boone. All right? They got snakes in the church. Better keep your eyes open. That's Shorty. Baltimore activist. All right. That's Peter Francott and Brian Frosh. That's Amnesty International. That's Judge Carrion. That's Delegate Smith. That's Marilyn Mosby. That's Chief Judge Rivera. And that's Mayor Brandon Scott. And Eric Holder, the Department of Justice. That's Amnesty International 2014. So Ivan Bates, I need access to the grand jury. You holding evidence and knowledge of corruption in Baltimore. You was in the movie. Well, you in another movie too. You the star. You the star. The Westmore and Shorty story. The first black governor. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? 2023, we're going to find out. You talk about voter suppression by the Democratic Party.